Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this device. Start by opening Settings, scrolling all the way down and tapping on System. Then click Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and keyboard that you're currently using, in my case Gboard. Go into Text Correction and tap on the switcher next to Autocorrection. Autocorrection is now turned off. If you wanna turn it back on, just tap on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!